Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Taco supply shifts can be tricky, but we will solve this fast. Let's find exactly what makes producers want to sell more tacos right now. An increase in supply means the entire curve shifts right. We are looking for a factor that makes production cheaper or easier for the business to handle in the short run. Since beef is a primary input for tacos, a lower price for beef reduces the cost of production. This allows suppliers to offer more tacos at every single price point. Option A is a change in quantity supplied, not a shift. Lower input costs in option C make it the correct answer. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given info and check steps.